In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pandadoc document. Whether you're new to Pandadoc or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease and simplicity. Let's start by logging into Pandadoc. Head over to www.pandadoc.com where you'll see the login button sitting conveniently at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click that, then sign in with your existing account information. If you are new to Pandadoc and haven't created an account yet, there's an option for you too. Just click Sign Up Free and follow the on-screen instructions to get set up. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Pandadoc dashboard. This is your command center, the place where you have the power to create, manage, and track all your documents. It's a comprehensive hub designed to keep everything organized and easily accessible. From here, we're going to create a new document. Look for the bold inviting plus new document button on the dashboard. Clicking this will open a new window offering you various options to choose from based on what you need. Now let's talk about how you can start building your document. You have three straightforward options. The first is start from scratch, which is perfect if you want to create a blank document tailored exactly to your needs. The second option is upload a file, allowing you to import an existing PDF, Word document, or other file types for easy editing within Pandadoc. Finally, there's Use a Template, which lets you choose from Pandadoc's expertly crafted templates. This can save you time, especially for common documents like contracts, proposals, or invoices. Next, we move on to editing your document using Pandadoc's intuitive drag-and-drop editor. This tool makes it simple to personalize your document by adding a variety of elements. You can insert text fields, signature blocks, and date fields. Need checkboxes or drop-down options? You can add those too. Don't forget your company logo or any images that will enhance the document's professional appeal. Now let's assign roles or recipients who need to view or sign the document. This is crucial for ensuring that everyone who needs access has it. You can designate roles like client, signer, or CC recipient, tailoring recipient permissions to suit your needs. Once you've made all your changes, don't forget to save your progress. Click Save to make sure nothing is lost. You can also take advantage of the preview function to see exactly how your document will appear to others. This is a great way to catch any last-minute tweaks before sending it out. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything is perfect, it's time to send the document. Simply click Send, then decide whether to distribute it via email or share link. One of the great features of Pandadoc is its ability to track when recipients open and sign the document, providing you with valuable insights right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a complete journey through creating a Pandadoc document. It's a seamless process designed to keep you organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today.